There you go. That's the connection. Alright, so hopefully no leak. Common fault on the K20s and the K24s. Seen it all the time. However, it's an easy fix. At this point, the best thing to do is replace the pipe. As you can see, some repair has been done in it before, and see where they welded before, but this time around just gonna change the whole pipe, and this is a new one that we're gonna change today. Right, so we're gonna take this one out from there, so we're gonna swap the pipe, alright, and then we're gonna change it for the new one. Okay, alright guys, as you can see there, that's what you need to take out. This one, so you take that out, right, and then you loosen up these two bolts up here. In this case I'm going to use this. Then you need to use a spanner, just an extension, one of these. So to get more. So these are the bolts. So you want to put them away. And then you're gonna match it up with this one, okay? Remember, you need to take off this thing, yeah? Okay. I'll show you where the bolts is. Just there. There you go. The bolt here. There's one bolt right here. Yeah. Okay. So take this bolt out. It's actually on the clamp to go around it. See right here. So basically this goes in here, right, like so, and then this goes in there. So now we could take it out now. Just pull this off, and then we're gonna take this out here, like so. Sorry guys, it's messy. There's no other way I could do it. Right. And also guys, there's a sensor that need to be removed, so I'm going to remove that sensor and then just unplug the sensor. Like, you need 2 hands to this, so I'll get back with you. There you go. Remove the sensor, and now you can literally take that out. Right? So this is a power steering hose. You can see they actually done a bit of repair here before. So this was my repair. It leaked after I did this repair. It leaked, so I put like super glue with baking soda, baking powder stuff, and it still leaks out. I have no choice but to get a new one. Right, so it's a straight swap around, but you need to take out the sensor. That's the sensor. I need to put the sensor into the new one. So that's the sensor right here. It's a 2-pin sensor there. So that's what we're gonna take. We're gonna take it out. Okay guys, I got this taken out. You use actually a 19 spanner, so you need to take out the sensor. Okay. You don't want to damage the sensor, okay? You need to to take the sensor out. As I said, it's a straight swap around. Let's put this one aside a little bit. There's a 19. It's nice if you could put this in a vise, so you can actually give it good tight. So what this will do, right? Remember, you don't want to hold this bit and tighten it because you don't want to damage the hose with the clamp. So you want to hold it right here and tighten it up like so. Right? Nice and snug. Yeah. Okay, so that's the sensor. So we're just gonna put this back in there, and then we're gonna top up the power steering fluid, and then we're just gonna take this off. And first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna match them up, okay? So we know that they're the same. Right? So there you go. Look the same to me. Right? There you go. Perfect matched. And the length is a bit longer. Just a bit longer. And then, but it shouldn't matter. It should work just fine. Okay? And the top connection is the same. So we're just gonna swap them around. So now we need to take this off as well. This is what hold the hose in place, hold it in place. So we need to take this out. Right, so take this out and then take this off, and we're going to put it around this one, the other one. So this is just the metal clamp to hold it in place. So let's take that off. Whoops. And then just going to put this one on here. Swap it around just like so. Just put it like so. Make sure you get the rubber bit inside here. There you go. Just clamp it down a little bit and then put your bolt back in there. So we're going to catch it and then we're going to put the bolts inside. So let's continue into this. I like to catch the bottom first and then I catch the top because I find it easier. So, this now, and then you're going to put it back here, and then this bit going to come back here. Okay, so let's do this. So first we're going to put this one here, but this is not supposed to be there, this is supposed to be here. There you go, that's the connection. Alright, so hopefully no leak. Alright, I'm going to clean it off and top it up and make sure there's no leak. So how this works, how this bolt, the screw thing works, it's like this is a little bit of flange on top. Right, so when you screw this down, actually go all the way down there. So it's press this bit on the other bit there. So that's how it works. Right, so this doesn't work as a washer or anything. That's the actual washer here. So this, you screw this down, you press this into the pump. Okay, so that's how it works. Right. And now I bring it back up from there. Focus. Alright, bring it back from there. You reconnect the sensor, pressure sensor. Then I bring it up here, and then we're just gonna put the bolts in here. There's two bolts I took out, so I'm just gonna put them back in there. Just line that up properly, and then you put the bolts in. Just catch one at the top, and then we're gonna catch one at the bottom, and then we're gonna top it up with some porcelain floor. Right, so now it's done. The new O's actually fit pretty well. There's no leaks, right? So, and the sensor is back in place, right? So the sensor would be just there, right there. That's the sensor, right? So comes up there, come around here, come all the way back up here, right? So I'm gonna start the car, and see if there's any leaks. Right, now it's running, and there's no leak. See, there's a new pipe. That's dry. And there's no leak. Over there, there's no leak. There's no leak. And then you can turn the steering wheel, and there's no leak. So that's a fix.